I've been getting a lot of compliments with regard to my hair, so I thought let me just do a 9 months hair update since my locks are turning 9 months this month. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mesh. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate your support. I've installed my hair in February 27th of this year, which is 2024. I did the install myself. It took me about 16 hours. Yeah, I think 16 hours because I did my hair in a space of 3 days, but I was taking breaks. So when I count the time, the hours that I've spent doing the hair, I think it accumulates to 16 hours. I could be wrong. I don't know how many locks I have. These are micro locks. I don't know how many locks I have, honestly. I'll be lying. So I think, in my own opinion, this is the best type of hair one should have. I'm trying to get you guys to lock your hair. This is the best decision I've ever done for myself. I really enjoy the micro locks. I love them. They are so versatile, and you know, they are so easy to manage. I didn't enjoy the long wash days, and this, honestly, I just wash like quick. It doesn't take long to wash. It's like I'm washing a relaxed hair. I've had a relaxed hair before, so it's that quick, in my own opinion. And I don't need to detangle. I don't need to use leave-in conditioner and all of those things. I don't need to, but if you want to, you can. So what I use for my hair to moisturize, I'm going to show you. That's what I use. I use water, and I use Mizani. This is a leave-in conditioner 25 miracle milk when I think my hair is dry, because sometimes at the touch of my hair I can feel that it's too dry or it's coarse. Then I will go in with the milk. When my scalp is also dry, I just put a little bit of oil. And to wash my hair, I use Tresemme. I enjoy Tresemme because I feel like the Tresemme range, it's, you know, it's good for my hair. My hair loves it. But this product was on sale, so I decided to go for this organics. I think it's fine. It's not my favorite, but it does the work. It does, but it doesn't strip my hair of moisture and all of that. I think it works. I'm definitely gonna buy it again. So one thing I like about my micro locks is that, like I said, easy to handle, easy to manage, versatile. I love styling them. Like right now I've got bangs. How do you like my bangs? I've got bangs, and I can do side part. I can literally do anything with my hair. The only thing I haven't tried yet is braiding. I decided to wait a little bit. I'm going to wait until my hair turns 1, because my hair hasn't locked completely. Yeah, but I want to talk about one of the mistakes I did after installing the micro locks. The ends used to unravel a lot, and I was like, oh, why is it not locking yet, and all of that. I went to the salon and I got them to lock them with a needle, like, you know how they do the traditional locks. That's how they did it. So my hair now started looking very weird. The, you know, here it will look here, and the ends will look bulky. Like the beginning of the lock will look thin and the ends will look bulky, which I didn't like. So I then decided to cut all the hair that they had crochet. So yeah, that was a little bit of a setback, because it was quite a bit that I decided to cut it. And yeah, so like I said, the micro locks, they're affordable according to me, unless if you decide to go to the salon. At the salon, it's not affordable to install. I think salons, they charge around 3k to 5k, depending on which salon you go to and which method. I did mine with 2-strand twist, and yeah, I just twisted my hair and I interlocked at the end. When I started, the first few months I would interlock it after 4 weeks, then 5 weeks, but then life just got busy. I stretched it to 8 weeks, and the longest I've had my hair without interlocking again was 12 weeks. Because yeah, but my hair still looked fine. I could style it, it didn't look untidy, you know, I could do a bun and all of that. I wash every 2 weeks, but it's up to you. Honestly, some people they wash every week. I don't have the time and the patience. I've gone to a Microlocks salon once, and I paid 800 for the wash and the interlocking. um the service was fine. Honestly, I didn't really enjoy it. I didn't like how they did my hair, because they just focused on the interlocking. They didn't wrap it, they didn't wrap the hair around, which was confusing to me. So then I was like, you know what, let me just do my hair myself from now on. But I need to go to a salon again. I'm just gonna look for a salon, and so that they can help fix some of the mistakes I did with the last retie. I use a 2-point interlocking method. After you interlock, you have to go where you ended the last time. So I didn't do that. I can't find the lock, but there is a lock that has a hole. I'm gonna need them to fix that lock and some other few locks. And yeah, we have a lot of salons in South Africa actually that do Microlocks. You can go to that salon so they can help you with your installation, and you can just do the maintenance yourself if you have the patience. The nice thing is that after you've just interlocked, after 4 weeks or 6 weeks or 8 weeks, whichever time you decide, you don't have to go to the salon in the next 2 months, which is nice. You don't have to buy a lot of product, which is nice. Oh yeah, that's what I'm enjoying about my lock. And honestly, it's not time consuming. I just woke up and I do this. I flip it. I wake up and I just flip it, and I'm ready to go spritz some hair, ready to go. Like right now, I just spritz some hair, some water into my hair. I just spritz, like right now I just sprayed some water into the hair. I didn't put anything because my hair is not dry. So those are one of the beneficial with Microlocks. I'm enjoying it, and I don't know how long I'm gonna keep them, but for now I think this is a long-term journey. But the thing about Microlocks is that they require you to be patient. You need to be patient with Microlocks because they're not gonna lock immediately. Like I said, I've had them for 9 months. It's only right now that I can see that they are locking. You can compare your Microlocks to the next person. They're not gonna look like how your favorite Microlock influencer lock look like. And your hair texture plays a big role in how your Microlocks are going to look. I've got a very coarse hair, so I think my hair started looking like locks 3 months in. They started looking like locks 3 months in, even though you could see that the twist texture. But if you are far, you would think, oh, this person has locks, which I really enjoy. And yeah, if you know how to do your own hair, you can do your own hair. I did my own hair, and I'm actually thinking of doing people's Microlocks, of course, if they want, but I don't. There are a lot of salons in Johannesburg that you can visit if you want to do Microlocks. Honestly, there are a lot. Honestly, there isn't much. Like, I've lost the length, of course, because I cut the hair that I had crocheted, and also right now it feels like my hair is shrinking. There's a lot of shrinkage with Microlocks, and some people they call it, once you start with the Microlocks, when they start padding and all of that, where they expand, they become big. So you need to, you know, be patient with that and be fine with how the hair looks. And yeah, you need to wear a duke scarf and all of that, which I struggle with. I literally struggle with that. I don't like to wear something when I'm sleeping, and I think that contributes to a lot of ends. If you can see, like my hair has these ends, so I think it contributes to me not wearing scarf, which I don't recommend. You need to wear scarf. You need to spritz your hair every now and then, and when you think that your hair is dry, get yourself a, you know, a thin moisturizer, or leave-in moisturize your locks. But other professionals, they say that you don't have to put anything, just spritz water and all of that. Like I said, it depends on your hair texture. My hair can handle moisturizer, it can handle leave-in conditioner and all of that. I have not experienced a lot of unraveling. I have not experienced that. It was only the ends that will unravel. That's when I decided to get the crochet and mess up my hair. But when you wash your hair, you just twist your hair and you wash it like that. I am due to do a deep washing routine because I tried using gel when I was interlocking my hair, and that gel left residue. So I'm on the lookout for a best gel, because after I retie my hair, I want to get a clean look, like a clean, smooth Microlocks, which I'm not getting with just water. Like I said, I've got really coarse hair, so I'm on the lookout for a nice gel that doesn't build up, that doesn't leave, you know, white residue on the hair after some few days. So if you know of that gel, please comment down below and let me know if Microlocks is something that you would consider. It's really affordable. You don't have to go to the salon every month, every 2 weeks, get a new style and all of that. You can just style your hair anyhow, whatever way you like it. You can even get weaves and wigs over your hair. I've just not tried it, but I don't think you can get you can get maybe these big weaves like Kelly and all of that. If you want a flat, I don't know what you guys call it, if you want, that silk, what do they call it, an install, if you want an install, I don't think you can do it with the locks, unless if you have sister locks, because Microlocks and sister locks are two different things. Unless if you have sister locks and they're very thin, you can try to do an install. This one, I don't think I can do an install. I can do, like, your wigs, curly big wigs, those I can do. I can do braids and all of that. I can do all of those styles. The only style that I don't think I can do is straight back. I don't think I can do that just yet, but I'm gonna try in the future. But for now, I don't think I can do that. And I think I'm just gonna end this video here. I don't want it to be too long. If you have any other questions with my Microlocks, please ask them below. If you want another update in the future, comment down below and let me know. I will do an update right here. If you've watched this video till this far and if you've enjoyed it, if you're considering doing Microlocks, please comment down below, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to create a playlist with my Microlocks. I'm gonna do a video showing you guys different styles, how to style Microlocks in the future. But for now, let's just end it here, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Until then, God bless and goodbye.